To enter a destination, select the Set Destination shortcut. Enter your destination in the search box. If you don't know the full name, you can view the search results list by touching Hide Keyboard. To continue typing, touch the search box again. Next, select Enter. If you would like to view other suggested routes, touch Route Options. Select the desired route and touch Start to begin guidance. The route guidance can be cancelled by selecting Stop Guidance in the main menu or by touching the Cancel Guidance shortcut on the home screen.